Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to set up your WordPress hosting and domain. I already have my personal website that I just started building, but I'm going to start again on a new one. So we're in your hosting section in your Godaddy account. If you're not with Godaddy, just ignore this, but we'll come on to just installing WordPress and it will be fine. It'll be the same thing once we get into WordPress, so don't worry about that. But for now, go to hosting in your Godaddy account. In your hosting panel, press add site. We're building a brand new site. I haven't got a domain that's spare at the moment, and if you haven't got a domain, that's fine. Just use your temporary domain option that's here. If you have got a domain, click there, and it will come up with the domains that are available and you select whichever one you need. I'll use temporary for now. Obviously I'm in Europe, so I'm gonna, well, kind of now, so I will use that one. If you're in America, obviously pick the one that's recommended for you. I'm gonna just use example and enter a password. Make sure they match, obviously, could be useful. There we go. And then install. Keep a note of your username and password when you enter them because it's quite hard sometimes to get them sorted and change them, and you have to reset it all and everything. This will take just a few minutes, so I'll be back when it's finished and I will walk you through installing XTheme, which I recommend, and how to get all the functionality, all the basic functionality set up. Okay, I'll see you in a sec, bye. Okay, so we're ready. I'm going to go straight to the dashboard because I want to install a theme. If you press get started, you can do the startup wizard, but that leaves you with having to install a theme that is free, and that automatically adds a lot of pages that you don't necessarily need or want for your site. So we'll just go straight to dashboard and do this ourselves. There we go. No thanks for the start wizard, because we don't want to add a theme that we don't need, because this is just a lot of extra junk in our account. So this button brings us to our WordPress website. You can see now how it's already set up. This is just the basic free theme that comes with it when you first install. So for now, let's go straight to appearance and themes, and we are going to add a new theme. I've already downloaded XTheme. That's my favourite theme, so we'll upload it. It's on my desktop, so exit, there we go, and install now. You can download the XTheme from the link that I'm going to include with this video. If you're not interested in that, there are plenty of free themes, and I will go through how to install a free theme another time. For now, because XTheme is, in my opinion, the best one, we're gonna do that. So if we could press manage licenses, it will bring us to our license page for XTheme, and I've already put in this domain. I'm not sure if I have put in that domain actually. Here we go. Let's just copy this domain, paste it into the production site, and then we copy this key here on the left. Make sure you haven't copied any spaces with it because that will mess up the activation. So we just copy, paste, enter, and it should activate it straight away. There we go. So we are activated and validated now. These are the plugins that come with XTheme. I'm only going to download a couple for now. Bear in mind that installing plugins is great and it extends the functionality of your site, but it also is a bit detrimental to the security, because the more plugins you have, the more ways in people have that want to hack or get into your website when they're not allowed to. So I am going to download, just for now, I'm going to just download under construction and show you how to get that set up. And then we go to activate it. see we have a few plugins here that automatically come with WordPress. If you add a free theme, then it's going to be a lot more kind of junk that you didn't understand that you wanted or needed, because it comes with the theme, including pages and stuff. So for now, we will just activate under construction. I'll show you how to set that up in a minute. For now, we'll go to settings because there's a couple of things we need to change. Here you can see your basic information. Let's go to permalinks, because year, month, post name is not the best way to do it. If we go category, post name, and then save. And there's a few other settings. In writing, or it's reading, you can set your pages. Here you can see obviously your latest posts is just here. We need to have a static page. For now we'll just select sample page, because we haven't added pages to create our home page and our post page. What we'll do later, when I show you how to start building it, we will add pages like home and blog. So home page will be home, and then post page will be blog. For now we'll just save it on sample page. As I'm on a temporary domain, it's discouraged search engines from indexing it, which means things like Google are not able to pick it up to put it on the search page. If you've got a domain that you're using permanently, then that will not be clicked by default, and so that Google can start picking it up. For now, let's go and activate the under construction page. Okay, so we'll enable it. You can create your own custom page, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to quickly chuck in some information. Hello, there we go. And the background is dark, the text is white. You can add a logo. If you add the logo, you're going to have to change the size in the media section, because otherwise it will be massive. I'll show you how to do that later as well, though. You can add all your social media here and then update. I'll just walk you through a couple of the settings in WordPress so you kind of know where you're going. Posts is your blog posts. Portfolio is your portfolio items. Media is where all your photos and videos and such for your website will live. Pages is home, contact us, about us, etc. Comments is the comments that people are leaving when they visit your WordPress website. This is where you customize your theme, your widgets, and you can edit the code, but I would not recommend that unless you are quite solid in PHP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, that kind of thing. Plugins we've already discussed. Users is whoever's working on your site, including admins. So you can have other admins for your site as well, but you can have people working that don't have admin privileges. I will show you that later as well. For me, it's just got me, which is the example user. And this is all your settings. And so there we go. So we are all set up. If we just flush the cache quickly, which means just get rid of all the junk files that we're piling up while we're editing. Let's see if this has worked. Sometimes it can be a bit temperamental. It can take 5-10 minutes. See, yeah, it will take 5-10 minutes before it kind of takes effect. So I will show you again later when it's finished loading. But for now, we've got our theme up. We've got our website ready to be customized and ready to be built. Oh, and one more thing. This is the customize section. We use on XTheme custom options. So if you press that button, you'll be brought to where you can edit how it looks. This is like the base of all the website. We edit how the pages look in Cornerstone, and we edit how the base of the website looks in functionalities in the theme options. We do need to go here and press advanced mode on, because we want to be able to change the backgrounds, images and things like that. If we don't press that, we don't really have many options for advanced editing. So there are 4 stacks in XTheme. I prefer a new. You can have a look on the XTheme website and have a browse through all the different kind of looks. See which one you like and pick that. I prefer Renew because it's the kind of flattest design, and I'm quite a big fan of flat design. So layout and design is just the base of the website, full width, the width of the website, the background image or background pattern. Typography is all the fonts for the website. I will enable Google font subsets so you can have different fonts and typography. Buttons is exactly what it says, it's the buttons. Change all the colours of the buttons and the shapes, and header is your nav bar and top bar. We can change all the settings for these here, put a logo in and stuff like that. There's a lot of settings here. You can go through them all in your own time. That's the footer, the blog, portfolio, social, and miscellaneous is only a scroll top anchor, which I put on every time because it's nice to be able people to be able to easily navigate when they're on your website. So saved, and then we exit to dashboard, and we're all set up. All we need to do now, oh, okay, we hit a snag. My internet is being a bit of a pain today, but anyway, that's all finished now. So we are ready for the construction page to be up. Okay, right, let's try this again. There we go, here we go. Back at dashboard. So that's us kind of set up and ready under construction page, ready to start editing the pages and the content and the design. So I hope that was a bit useful just to get you started. I'll be back with more videos on how to use Cornerstone to edit the pages and how to get everything set up just the way you'd like it. So thanks for now. I hope this video was useful, and I will speak to you soon. Bye.